So I came out here without my iPod to get some stuff, and I knew we were supposed to get some rain, but holy cow. This is a 1 cubic foot. And it's full of rain. So, you know, it would stink if I dropped this in there. So I figured, might as well get this on camera. Ah, nasty. Oh, yuck. Try not to lose too many 2x4s. That's pretty nasty. So I came out here to uncover the stuff. Got a little tree job tomorrow, so I need to get some stuff, and it's been raining. I want to see what got wet. So you can see how like the mud splashed up. So see what we got here. I want to cover this. Whoever's got a shed, they're lucky. You go from having a 2-car garage to having a trailer. Sorry for the horrible view. I'm gonna be getting the iMovie app as soon as I get money. So this shit's pop right off now. But you know what happens? Stuff like that just doesn't happen. Oh yeah, nice. Oh, that's holding. It's alright. We're gonna need the blower, gas, and a chainsaw, and maybe that wheelbarrow. So hopefully I can get some video of that tomorrow. So on, take this blower out. See, make sure I have everything for tomorrow, and we'll be good. So hopefully I can get some footage of that in time. You know, so it's not like you can stick around on a job too long, because time is money. So that's why it's not like you're sitting in an excavator all day. You actually gotta work. So didn't seem to get too wet this year. It's got a little moisture. Beast of all push mowers. So you gotta change the blade on there, put a gator blade on there. So I'm gonna get this stuff out, see what I can do, get ready for tomorrow. So we'll see. Thanks for watching. So I like this iPod with the camera, it's awesome. So hope y'all enjoy. I'll be able to get a lot more video now with this. So we'll see. So thanks for watching, guys.